Hi guys, Ben here at Cult Motorcycles. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of our Thruxton 900 that we've got in at the moment. So it's on a 2012 plate. It's a one owner from new bike. All servicing has been done by the supplying dealer. That'll all be detailed in the advert. The paint job was done by the supplying dealer in 2012 and it's a throwback to the original 1902, the first Triumph. But it's pretty exceptional, the pinstripe work. Really nice. So I'll do a quick walk around, point out any cosmetic defects. It's going to be a pretty quick video because there's really not many at all. It's all the chrome work is pretty exceptional. All the metals are still pretty much perfect. It's been really well looked after, 4,500 miles. The rims and spokes, there's absolutely no corrosion anywhere. Often these start to go a bit furry, but on the fins, the edge of the fins, but there's absolutely none of that. But the only bit you can pick up on the whole bike is on the cooler at the front. Just on the edges, there's a little bit of flaking that's happened. Just sort of age related, but apart from that, it's exceptionally clean throughout. Even underneath, there's not really a mark on it. I'm looking for bits to point out, but there's really nothing on it. It's that tidy. Rear wheel is the same. It's super clean, with no furring, no corrosion whatsoever. Swing arm is perfect. I can get in the back there where they sometimes get hit. But there's absolutely nothing. Looks new. So I went my way around. There you have it. Yeah, pretty exceptional. So I shall fire it up. There you have it. All the details with regard to service history will be in the advert. Any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.